Hi, welcome to Cooking with Coach Rob. On today's episode, it's going to be a short one because we're actually answering a question that a customer had on Amazon. They want to know with the T-fal Actifry Original with a snack accessory, does the fryer stir the contents of this basket? So what we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly what the fryer does. So as you can see, this is the accessory we're going to be talking about. Obviously it's an add-on for the T-fal Actifry, the original. Okay, we're over by our Actifry original now, and I'll show you the product itself. When you do receive it or purchase it, it is in two pieces. This handle here, you got to clip on, and you just set it right in the fryer like that. You do not need the agitator in at this point because this will spin. Now, a word of caution, this handle here gets extremely hot, so when you do take it out, you should have like a glove or something, because I've almost burned myself a couple times. So as you can see, it's sort of loose in there and it will spin, so I'm just going to show you of it's the way it does rotate the items. Okay, as you can see, we got the basket in here, so we'll push the power button and we'll turn it on, and you can see in a couple seconds it is going to rotate. It takes about like 3 or 4 seconds for it to turn. As you can see, the basket is turning. Now, and that's just the handle you see there, right? Because the agitator is sitting on the counter here. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't put the agitator in for this. So I hope that answers your question. If you have any more questions, please feel free to comment below in the video. And I have other cooking videos on my YouTube channel that actually shows this in action. So thank you. Have a great day.